Today I'm making slime, but before we get started, click the scarf and turn notifications. Give us a huge thumbs up. Let's get started. So first we have glue, and it's clear glue. Let's add in the glue now.
What kind of slime are you making?
I'm making foam ball slime with these slime. And I think I'm going to add some glitter. There's some glitter over there that I'm going to add in. So yeah.
Alright, so far you already have glue?
Yeah.
Let's see it. You have clear glue.
Yeah, glitter.
Okay. Alright, what's going to be next?
Let's add some of this.
What is it called? Baking
Soda.
soda. Baking soda.
Baking soda. Baking soda. Baking soda. Is that enough? I think that's a little enough.
Yeah. Alright.
That seems like
Mix
enough.
it, mix it.
Mix. Whoa, it turned a different color, guys. Okay, now let's add the foam beads.
Those are pretty.
Yeah, they're rainbow foam beads. Woo, I added all. Whoa, this is already turning into slime, guys.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah. Okay, now let's add some beads.
Okay, beads.
Ooh. Wow. This is so sticky. It's sticking, guys. Woo. And this is how my slime looks.
Keep mixing.
And I have a slime container. I had unicorn slime, and it was in that container. But then it started to get dried up, and it started to get hard, so I couldn't use it, and I had to throw it away. But look at this slime. It's so much cooler because that one had unicorn, but they're just unicorn. This one has a lot of details, like sparkles, everything.
Oh, that looks pretty with the sparkles in there.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Every bead has some like slime in it. Or like foam ball. Like a squish ball.
What do you think? Is it coming together?
Yeah, it's coming very good. Hey guys, my slime turned out very good. It doesn't really stretch that far. It just stretches and it's like really cool slime.
Oh, probably because of all the stuff that are in there.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But it's really cool. And I'll do another slime video for you guys. Wow. And my dad usually does my videos with me, but he's gone to work, so yeah. So I just have my slime. Woo. And this slime, it looks so cool. Like, look at the rainbow foam balls. Guys, would you like me to make another slime, like the same one, but like only like beads and like glitter? And I could add it to this one. That would be so cool. Yeah, Carter?
I think he likes your idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, this is really nice. Look, like, I like all of the stuff that are inside. I like it. Like, look at it. So cool.
How does it feel?
It feels very good.
Really
You could-
textury, eh?
Yeah, you could feel like the foam balls.
Mm.
They're coming out. But I don't even need that much foam balls. My mom accidentally poured too much foam balls. So now,
I poured the foam balls?
yeah,
I don't think I was the one who poured in the foam balls.
you did. I poured and
You poured everything.
no,
Do we need to roll back the tape?
no. You put the foam balls and I put the beads. I didn't put that much beads and you put so much foam balls.
You mean in the container?
Yeah.
You didn't have to pour it all out,
Uh-huh.
but you did.
Yeah.
So maybe next time use less,
Yes.
right? Maybe pour it in gradually, not all at once. Mm-hmm.
Look at this strip.
Whoa.
Whoa.
It does look pretty though.
I hope it stays until the next day. Because usually when I make regular slime without glow in the dark glue, because some glow in the dark, when I make glow in the dark slime, it stays for a lot of days. But when you use regular, it doesn't really stay.
So I guess we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll follow up tomorrow and see.
Whoa. And I'll tell you guys if it stays tomorrow when I wake up tomorrow.